This Medical Minute is sponsored by Cancer Treatment Centers of America.
At CTCA, one of the benefits for me is that I'm able to really stay on the cutting edge and identify new technologies as they're emerging, because that's what our patients here need and expect and deserve. Many cancers that we see are inoperable because of either size or location next to critical structures. And we can offer a variety of interventional therapies to treat those tumors in a much more directed fashion. The NanoKnife is really the latest generation of tumor ablation technology. I would see patients who would have tumors that are in these critical, hard-to-reach locations. I just couldn't offer them standard ablation because it would be too risky. Cancer Treatment Centers of America in Philadelphia will be the first in the region to offer NanoKnife technology to our patients. And it gives us yet one more option that we can tell patients, yes, there is an option. We have something we can do for you. It's minimally invasive, it's safe, and will help to manage your cancer.